Something that you're going to be doing every week, you're going to have a Palmetto parenting tip. Can you talk about this week's tip?
I can. The museum just actually adjusted our strategic plan, or created our strategic plan, adjusted our mission, because one of the things we keep hearing is that we need to help children develop creative problem-solving skills. So I thought I would talk about how to do that and some ways to do that. For example, helping kids make choices gets them in the practice of making creative decision making and envisioning what they need to do. So for example, and when you ask them their choice, I'll also too, it helps them feel important that you've respected their choices. So for example, if it's cold outside, you can say, okay, our choice today is to stay home or go to the children's museum. Which do you want to do? Of course, you have to be prepared for whatever the answer is to that question, but I'm going to guess they'd say the children's museum. Then you'd say, great, let's go. What do you want to wear, your blue shirt or your green shirt? Reinforcing color recognition, giving the child control over something personal to them. I'll tell you a quick story. My husband, who likes things very neat and tidy, was remember being very disturbed when my son picked plaid shirt and striped bottom. But we had to learn to let go and let that happen, because he felt good with that decision, and that was more important than anything else. So sometimes you have to just deal with what they decide if you give them the choice. But giving them the choice is really a great way for them to start to envision. The shoes, which shoe do you want on, the right or the left? It makes them start to think about right, left, even if they don't know it yet. Children typically don't get that until around 3, and by 7 they usually have that down, or I would say my husband would tell you I don't have it yet. So, but yeah, so all of those little things, if you can just be a little intentional about conversations with your child, you can help them not just have fun talking to them, but help them develop some critical thinking skills.
Amazing, really valuable stuff.